Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to turn off captions on TikTok. It's super easy. We will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. How to turn off captions on TikTok. First of all, click on the TikTok app. Now click on this arrow. You will see a lot of options here. You can see at third, turn off captions. Click on this, your captions will be turned off. Thank you so much. That was the whole and easy procedure. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.